The king of fruits has arrived, bringing with it some mouth-watering mango shakes. For a healthy twist on the classic milkshake, we combine mangoes with milk, organic jaggery, and some crunchy chia seeds. These nutritious nuggets turn your plain Jane milkshake into a healthy powerhouse. If you let this shake rest in the fridge for a couple of hours, the chia seeds will absorb the moisture and you'll have some instant mango pudding. This second shake is for the dairy dodgers. Combine mango, pineapple, and organic jaggery with some cool coconut water. Blitz it till it's smooth. Top it with some toasted coconut flakes. A refreshing tropical treat, perfect for summer chill sessions. Try these lovelies today and stay tuned for more mango madness. Thanks for watching.